Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. And today I'm bringing a mod that I bought with me to this shop back here. It's called Tough Shine. And let me just show you what I have and what I'm planning to do with this. So I went ahead and got me one of these rear spoiler lips, and I think it's a really good quality. Actually, it's very thick. I want to say rubber. The problem is that it's not painted, so it's really in like a flat black. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like. So in a short comparison here, you can see the gloss black roof, and I was kind of hoping to get this to match it. But it is in like a flat black rubber. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it over here to Tough Shine. They do like some vehicle decals, vinyl wrapping and whatnot, and I'm gonna see if they can actually wrap this in a gloss black to match the roof. That way I can put it over here on the window and it would be uniform. Alright guys, so here I am. I'm going to go pick up the rear window spoiler. Got the call that it's been vinyl wrapped in the gloss black. So let's go see what it looks like. So here it is. I'm not sure if it's visible on the in the sun here with the gloss black. I'm going to lay it on here just to see what it would look like with the gloss black roof. Although there is a small discrepancy they're actually going to take care of. And there you have it. It's a gloss black wrapped rear spoiler, and it actually matches quite nicely with the gloss black roof decal that came with the car. But if you look right here, there's some bubbling, so they're going to actually peel some of this tape back off, and then he's actually going to redo it. So it's really good quality work. I'm glad they're not here to cut any corners. But I'm actually happy with the finished product once it's done. Alright guys, so now we are going to be putting the rear spoiler that I had just got vinyl wrapped in gloss black right on the back window here to go along with the gloss black themed vinyl decal that's on the roof. So let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so here's the great reveal. Decided to go with the full-size spoiler versus the thinner one, and this thing is really heavy duty. It's very thick rubber, and you know what? I love the way that this looks just already. Just put it on. A buddy of mine actually did help me out, and it goes right along with the gloss black theme there. Remember we just did these a few days ago, actually maybe last week, and here we are going with the red and gloss black theme. I don't know guys, I think this looks pretty good. I'm trying to get a good view of it so you can get an idea of what it really looks like. Leave a comment below though while I'm filming this. Tell me what you think. I mean, it's too late to do anything to it now. It's on there really sturdy. I mean, that it's really just a 2M or 3M tape on the bottom, 2 long strips of it, but this is what it looks like. Just decided to get it from another view. I'm sure it's going to look different from different views, different angles, but there it is. I'd have to try and find the link. I know there may be some of you who are interested in getting this, so just keep in mind that when it does come in, it's like a matte black or just a normal black rubber color. It's dull. It basically requires painting, but when I went to a few different paint shops, they told me that this was the best bet. Based on the material, the experts were saying that getting it vinyl wrapped is actually way better than trying to paint it, because the paint wouldn't work, and it would just eventually start to crack and then maybe chip. So I'm hoping this can withstand the Texas heat, but the truth is I'm not going to be here much longer. My car is getting shipped back home very soon, and so you know what that means, it'll be back in the garage. But just want to do one more walk around here. Again, guys, leave a like on this one, leave a thumbs up, tell me what you think. Here it is. All right, thank you guys for watching this short video. I really appreciate your time. I don't take your time very lightly. I take it seriously. We're all busy. We got a lot of things to do. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Leave a like, comment, tell me how you like it, and subscribe if you haven't. This is Ryan from Riding in Style. Yeah.